Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch our beautiful videos. And to our new subscribers, you all are especially welcome. Thank you so much for becoming a part of us. In today's video, we are making a quick fix but something bougie. It's a classic shortbread biscuits or cookies. Let's get started. For the ingredients, I have flour, milk powder, vanilla essence, butter, icing sugar, and corn flour. Kindly note that all measurements will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to be mixing up all ingredients until it's nice and fluffy. So into a fine bowl, I add my butter and use my hand mixer to whisk it all up. Then I go in with my icing sugar and keep mixing it all up. I will do so until I have this fluffy or buttercream paste kind of texture. So I do so for some seconds and just look at it. I have that at this point. I then go in with a spatula to continue mixing it for about a minute, then set it aside. Into a different bowl, I mix my dry ingredients as well. So I'll be mixing my flour together with the milk powder and the corn flour. I use a spatula to mix it all up thoroughly and also set it aside. Then into my butter paste, I add vanilla essence and use my spatula to mix it all up. Just when I have a perfect paste, I'm going to introduce my dry ingredients into my butter mix. So I do the addition in bits. I use my scoop to add it and then I use my spatula to mix it all up thoroughly. I repeated the process until everything was done. You need to be patient at this point. Just take your time to mix it all up thoroughly. Just when it becomes dough, you use your hand to knead it properly and then just bring it out of the bowl onto your chopping board and just use a fine clean film to wrap it and use a roller to roll it until it's flat. You are doing so you can be able to cut it or just have a flat or rectangular shape so it can aid in the cutting process. Just when you have the perfect shape or something like a rectangular brick, keep it in a fridge for like 20 minutes to chill and become firm, and bring it out when it's like a block form so it can aid in a cutting process. At this point, it's out of the fridge nice and firm, so with my cutter I go in with nice lines and then cut it up. I make this nice rectangular incisions in it and then use a fork to create these holes in it. This is totally optional, but it just makes it nice. I go in with a parchment paper on a tray and then spread it out nicely. So into my preheated oven, I went in with my cookies and then baked it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after the set time, there you have it, my classic all-time delicious shortbread biscuit. Do well to make this shortbread biscuit for friends and family. Also invite your ladies over for tea or coffee date and they are going to love it. You guys are going to have a great time. Also make it for your kids. They will enjoy it. I paired my delicious classic shortbread biscuits with tea, and it was a great combo. I enjoyed myself. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you loved it, do what to give it a big thumbs up. Also share this video to your friends, family, everybody on your contact list. Let them become a part of this beautiful channel. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, and also, are you going to be trying your hands on this? Kindly subscribe if you haven't already, and until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.